It is a friendship built on mutual respect and equality. Sino-African relations is yielding fruits. Half a century since the initial diplomatic contact, the two sides are getting ever closer. China has become Africa's largest trading partner, while Africa is the fourth largest destination for Chinese overseas investment. More than 2,000 Chinese companies are now investing in a variety of African sectors, including agriculture, mining, construction, manufacturing, and real estate. China-Africa Development Fund is one of the major capital providers, which was founded in 2007 after the Beijing summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation.
So in the past 6 years, we have already committed investment of $2.4 billion on 64 projects, which covers more than 30 African countries.
Last year's visit by Chinese President Xi Jinping to Africa and Africa leaders' trips to China moved the relationship up to a new high. China's Imports and Exports Bank said late last year that the Chinese government and state-owned banks will provide up to $1 trillion to Africa by 2025, 50 times the amount provided in 2012. But analysts say that there are still many challenges in Africa that Chinese companies need to notice.
In some countries, you have security concerns, like in Somalia, for instance, in DRC, whereas in other countries, they're very stable, very dynamic economies. So I think when you're going into Africa, one should look at it as a continent, but also as separate countries that have got opportunities and challenges. I would advise Chinese companies also to be mindful of local sensitivities and culture.
Experts also urge the Chinese government to come up with more measures to support private businesses going to Africa. They say, too, that additional training is needed for private companies before they expand abroad. 明天 CCTV